If you have forgotten your Instagram password and are looking for a way to change or reset your Instagram password, then this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm your host. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's first see how to change your Instagram password if you're already logged in. Open Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines at the top right and go to settings. Tap on security and then password. Now Instagram will send a link to your registered email address to reset your password. Go to your mail and open the email with the reset password link for Instagram. Now it will ask you to enter a new password. Once you do that, you can log in your Instagram account with a newly created password. Now let's see how you can reset your Instagram password if you have forgotten it. Go to the Instagram login page, tap on Get Help Signing In. Here you need to enter your registered email address, phone number or Facebook account name if it is connected with it. Now tap on Next. Now Instagram will send you a link to reset your password on the chosen option. Tap on the link and reset your Instagram password. So that's it. Hope now you'll be able to change your Instagram password. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.